Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Microsoft 365 Message Center update series. We've got some interesting update today around support that you might get for Power Platform. Microsoft's clarifying what support they're going to offer to people based on their different service levels. So let's just jump into the Message Center and see what we've got. So as we can see here, so what Microsoft's saying is in order to provide effective support for all their customers, Microsoft must start enforcing the boundaries of different support plans that they offer. So starting March the 1st, 2021, that's not very long away from now, they're going to allow customers to submit support cases for advisory issues based on the support plan that they have included. There is a link here to the support capabilities, and I'll put a link to that in the comments. And this specifies that only customers with a professional, direct, or unified support plan, i.e. premium support plans, can file advisory support tickets. So what Microsoft's doing is making a differentiation between technical support and advisory support. So previously they have not differentiated between the two, and it's been down to the support engineers to decide whether they were going to be able to provide support on these cases or not. So you might find that if you are using that service for advisory, then you may stop getting that kind of support in the future, in which case if you want it, you need to go and upgrade your support plan. So it's a little clarification piece. What can you do to prepare for this? As Microsoft is saying here, if you do want to continue receiving advisory support from them, then you need to go and upgrade your support plan to a premium service like Professional Direct or Unified Support, and then you can continue to get that kind of support. Okay, so there is this article here, so I'll put a link to this in the comments below as well, and then this gives you a description of the different types of support plans that is on offer. So you can see professional direct support is only £6.80 plus VAT per month, so that's not an awful lot. That's per user, so maybe you just need one or two users with that support who can then support the rest of the team, but there are other options around here, so you can have a look at that too. To find out what it is you need. So that's just something to be aware of. It's a small change. Well, it's not a change, but it's a clarification and an enforcement that's going to start to happen. So if you do have people working on Power Platform projects in your business, then you definitely need to be aware of that if you are using that. And please prepare ahead of time to make sure you don't miss out on support that you might need. Well, thank you very much. That's all I've got for today, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you.